We are at the Area 31 Career Center. We are on the west side of Indianapolis. And we're located inside Ben Davis High School. This is actually
the Digital Integrated Manufacturing class at Area 31.
We are in the second year of the program. We were the first program in the state of Indiana. It's a 2-year program, and the first year, all our students are in the classroom Monday through Friday.
What do you try to do?
And in the second year of the program, our students are actually in the classroom on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then on Tuesday, Thursdays, they're out doing an internship, which we call work-based learning. The internships are extremely valuable for our students to gain experience before they graduate.
I've learned a lot about electricity and a lot about pneumatics too, and hydraulics. And we learned a lot about how to fix stuff and troubleshooting.
And I really do like the robots and all the automation that goes into it.
We're fortunate enough that we do robotic programming when we start from the very, very beginning, like the student knows nothing about it. We're pretty fortunate to have all this equipment where the students can learn all these basics, which the employers are just begging for.
We worked on the skill boss, which is sorts valve bodies.
The students actually really enjoy getting their hands dirty and tearing the skill bosses apart, putting them back together. Our students can walk out of here and know the basics of programming a robot, pneumatics, hydraulics, mechanical drive systems, and which makes them very attractive to companies. We have one work-based learning student, a senior, that's over at Lindy right now, and matter of fact, they've already offered him a job. The past 2 years, all of our seniors that have done the work-based learning internship have graduated, and the companies that they did their internships with actually hired them. They had a job before they even graduated, and makes them very good money at the same time. It's really pretty awesome. I've spent over 30 years in industry, and finding qualified candidates to fill positions has always been hard. It's really rewarding to be able to help transfer some of my knowledge that I've learned in that 40 years over to the kids, and hopes that they act like a sponge and learn what I'm trying to show them.
I hope to be able to build a pretty decent career off of it.
Being able to have 100% of our seniors graduate with a very, very good job is my reward. That's so fulfilling, is to know that these kids are going to go on and do great things at the companies that they go for.